Adele here, and welcome to day 16 of the 30-day business challenge. This is part 2 of how to record and post a YouTube video. I'm going to make this as quick as possible because it is not as hard as it seems, okay? And so we're not going to get stuck on the process. We are just going to take action, okay? So I've already started to share my screen. It's pretty simple. You'll go up here where it says create, okay? You have 3 options. You can upload your video, you can go live, or you can create a post, okay? So if you click upload a video, it literally will ask you to select a file. And let me see. I'm just going to select a previous video that I just did. You're going to click open. If you already labeled your title, that's why it's good to already have your title saved within the file. So it automatically will input your title for this, okay? All you gotta do is go in here and tweak it a little bit, add, subtract, multiply, do what you need to do. You will add your description. You can either write it out yourself, or you can have ChatGPT help you with that or assist you with that if you're not good at creating titles, okay? You literally, let me go ahead and hold on. I'm going to share this tab, create a YouTube description for how to create a YouTube video. Literally, it'll give you a title, it'll give you descriptions and step by step of what it is that you need to do. Bam, that step, literally click on the clipboard to copy it, Control V it into your description. Make sure you go through and you tweak it and delete, add, subtract, multiply, do what you need to do within the description. You can also add keywords. If you're not good at keywords, don't worry about that right now. You can always go back and add keywords later. It always asks you about your audience, if it's made for kids or if it's not made for kids. I just automatically put no, because you don't want any problems later on down the line. Now, if your stuff is made for kids, by all means, sorry about that. I'm still getting used to going back and forth between 2 tabs within this product, but you're going to Control V this, and you'll go through here and tweak it. Let me show y'all. If you want to add hashtags, do that. You don't have to worry about that right away. It's not a big deal. I never allow for remixing, so you can if you want to, if your content allows that or encourages that. Make sure that your category is in the right spot. It has auto, comedy, music, how-tos, right? I could change mine to education or how-to. Technically, this would be a how-to, but this is not the right video. So I will change it to that whenever I'm done recording this video. You're literally going to click next. You can add subtitles and end screens, even cards. I don't do this right now because your whole goal is to make sure you post your videos, okay? After that, you're going to click next. It checks for any copyright issues, any copyright music, things of that nature. You're going to click next, and it gives you the option for private, unlisted, or public. Okay. If you want to pre-batch your material, you literally just scroll down. And where it says schedule, there's an arrow here. You can schedule this video for a later date throughout the week. And I'm just going to give you an example. And then you can change the time. Okay. Now, if you need to go back and if you want to save this, like if you're not done yet, if you need to come back and add more to it, you literally can X out of this because it automatically saves, and it will have it as, let me show you. It'll have it as a draft here. You can always go back in here and edit your draft. Or if you need to tweak anything within it, you just click that little pencil and you can come back through here and update this. Okay. Now, going back to where it says publish and all that stuff, private, if you have a community and you just want to put that in your community and nowhere else, literally, when you have that particular link, that link can be posted in your community groups, and those people can watch it only. Anyone with your link for unlisted, the same thing. You can literally unlist this video. It won't be able to be found, and you can post that link within your community as well. And of course, public, everyone can see it. Okay. So just make sure you know the difference between all three. 9 out of 10, you're going to be using public, and then you're going to press the publish button. Okay. I'm going to make this private because I'm going to delete this. Okay. You click save. Actually, let me do unlisted. Either way it goes, you'll click save, and then it'll process the video. Look at it, it's published, and you can take that link and share it as you see fit, and then it will show up on your page. Okay. I hope this was a detailed video for you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. And one more thing, of course, if you need to delete this video, you literally can click on the 3 dots off to the side and click delete forever. Okay. I'm going to delete that forever because I don't need that. But this has been day 16, part 2 of how to post a YouTube video. Everyone should know how to record a video. It's pretty simple. You literally just go on your phone, press record, or go on your laptop, and literally you can press record. You can upload directly from here as well. So this has been Adele. I am Adele Janae. Have a wonderful day. Bye.